Hi, everybody. This is David O'Day with O'Day Schneider PLLC. And today we're breaking down carrying a pistol without a license, or commonly known as CPWL, under Washington, D.C. law. Under D.C. Code Section 224504, CPWL occurs when an operable pistol is carried on or about a person without a license issued by the District of Columbia, and that carrying takes place outside of a home or business. These elements must be proven beyond a reasonable doubt. A permit from Maryland, Virginia, or any other jurisdiction does not provide protection in DC, and the district does not recognize out of state firearms licenses or concealed carry permits. Transporting a firearm through DC requires compliance with federal safe passage provisions, which mandate the weapon be unloaded and secured in a locked container. But carrying a loaded firearm in a vehicle or on the person without a DC issued license constitutes a violation, regardless of compliance with another state's law. Now, the maximum statutory penalty for CPWL includes up to 5 years of imprisonment and a fine of up to $12,500. This is a felony offense. Enhancements such as possession during a violent crime can substantially increase penalties under the district's voluntary sentencing guidelines. Now, for military personnel, consequences extend beyond civilian prosecution. An arrest for CPWL can trigger immediate administrative action under military regulations, including flagging that halts promotions, awards, and school attendance. Adverse information filings may affect career progression, and bars to reenlistment can apply. Dual jurisdictions allow both civilian courts and the military to impose sanctions. Non-judicial punishment under Article 15 may involve rank reduction, forfeiture of pay, and extra duty, while court-martial proceedings all the way up to confinement can occur. Now, collateral consequences for service members include promotion freezes, suspension or revocation of security clearances, and loss of special pay or bonuses. Administrative separation is a real possibility when faced with an offense that is punishable by this amount of confinement. And separation could occur in such cases, including that with a general or other than honorable discharge, which can end a military career. Now, defense strategies often focus on issues involving the stop itself, whether it was unlawful, and whether search and suppression remedies are available under the Fourth Amendment. Other defenses include challenging the government's proof of possession or establishing lawful authority. But military members face two distinct legal systems in a CPWL case in DC: civilian courts and the Uniform Code of Military Justice, each with unique procedures and consequences. An effective representation requires knowledge of both areas to mitigate the risks to liberty, career, and future opportunities. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.